Okay, welcome back, guys, to Chaos Trading. Let's see what we got. So, in my previous video on the strategy, I didn't explain much because I got cut off because of space, but this is basically a continuation. So, if you want to see what really happened or the beginning, um, these are the trades I had running yesterday, right? Majority of them are JPY and NZD trades, right? It was performing best yesterday. I closed off today with $65 profit. So today we're just going into the strategy to see my entries, right? So we've got a sell now on CAD shift, right? So what I noticed today about CAD, the shift, it's giving us multiple signals. If you notice, my first two signals are AUD shift and USD shift, right? So I got another signal here. I'm just waiting for it to go in. So CAD shift gave me a signal. I'm going to look for Euro shift also. It's got to give me something. Yes. Bang. We enter our sell. Then CAD also had a signal I did not enter. So for those who, oh, why is it saying market closed? Okay, if it's saying market closed, it's probably tripping. Oh, okay. Anyway, let's just leave it alone for now, right? So these are the current running trades. This is a trade I had from yesterday, but it hasn't yet got to my take profit level. So I'm not going to be greedy, and I'm just going to take my profits since it's about to be a weekend. It's a Friday on my side, so it's about to be a weekend. So I'm gonna just take profits and then leave these for over the weekend. Most traders would say that's not advisable, but I don't care. I'm doing my own thing. Uh, yeah, some of the trades I had yesterday. So now let's go into the strategy and get a better explanation of why I'm entering and what's going on. So basically, I use the bottom window. If we look at this bottom window, it's at my selling level, right? So I'm going to definitely enter a sell, right? Sold, and I'm now just going to wait for it to come down, right? And yeah, it's the same for my buy signals. It gave me a buy down here. If I had bought anywhere along here, it would have gone into profit, right? So for those familiar with the Payapa strategy, it is similar to Payapa strategy, although I've cross-referenced signals with the Payapa and this one, and the signals are actually different. So although they do use the same concept of trading, they don't give the same signals, and yeah, it's different in its own way, but similar concept to say when it comes up here you can sell. That would be making your sells here, your buys down here, so you see you actually get good profits. Now in a situation like this where you got a sell because of the MACD that's currently on this chart, momentum indicators got a thing called divergence on them, where they diverge with price, where price can be going up but they're going down, right? So we realized right here we had divergence. So your first sell is dropping here, right? On the bottom window, it's showing that momentum is dropping but price is still rising. That's what we call divergence, right? So now when it came here again, and you're realizing this high is lower than that, right? You can actually enter more sales up here. So usually what I do, instead of closing my trades when they're going in loss, I enter more trades. Reason being is because if I kept entering sales, I would have caught that bad boy right over there, right? And same thing happened this side, to say there was sales around this area, right? And if I just kept on entering more sales, I would have actually recovered my loss. So it's one of those to say you don't need to use high amounts of risks. Just take your time, be easy with it, be calm. And the crazy part, it works on both currencies and volatility. So let's see for the last week how much I've made. Last week I haven't been trading that much. It's $106 only, and majority of the money was made yesterday because I haven't been trading that much on this account. So you'll realize, yeah, total profit, if we look at our equity, it's $99, right? Considering the trades I ended up just closing because of time and work. So with this specific strategy, guys, you've got so much uh, potential, should I say, to actually reduce your risk and increase your reward. Because if you trade like small accounts, you know to say you can't risk too much. And with this one, you can actually enter a small amount as little as 0.01 and be expecting between $1 to $20 return in a day. Because legit, I entered these trades yesterday, like GBP JPY, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, AUD JPY. No, not this one. Like, it's actually this one. I entered these like yesterday, and today they're in profit. So with these, I'll probably just notice the return on Monday or later on in the night. Should have gone into profit. So if you got a big account, it's okay to trade any time frame you want. The strategy works on any time frame, right? It will work on any time frame. Although I would advise to use roughly the 15-minute chart if you do not have that much money to use for your trading. It would be advisable to use lower time frames until you accumulate enough funds to play on bigger time frames. And it also just depends on your working time, because with this strategy I also got it on my MT5, right? Similar concept. The only difference with this one now is I can actually extend this window and show you, oh, we're in profit. Look at that. Ooh, a nice big spike right there. Gave me $3.85. Not bad, not bad considering the account size. And yeah, if you look at it, the amount of loss after my entry, like I entered right here, right? It gave me a small spike. I waited, patience. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minutes later, I get a spike. Then a few more minutes later, I get more spikes. It's just part of how it works. We're close to my take profit level, so I'm not going to be greedy and just leave it. Okay, now let's look for another entry so you see basically what I mean. It literally tells you when to buy, when to sell. It shows you everything you need. All you got to be is patient enough to wait for the signals to come in, and yeah, patience. Patience is the way forward. So guys, remember, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe, because there will be more videos like this coming out with amazing signals. And I will try leaving a link in my bio, in my description, to join my group, right? WhatsApp group. I will be sharing free signals in the group. And then if you guys want more signals, right, always feel free to join the WhatsApp group, and I'll create a VIP group for those who want more signals. So yeah, this was just one of those where I entered right now and realized I was now in profit. So guys, this is the strategy. It is a modification of our MACD and some other stuff for settings and all. I think I'll leave that for those who join the WhatsApp group. That way I know you guys are actually watching my videos and like what I'm showing you. But yo, I will be sending out more videos every day of me trading volatility and currencies. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, share with friends, guys. This is a really amazing strategy. You will not regret using it. Because let's see something. So yeah, okay, few reds, few blues, but the account still grew, because I've been trying to grow this account from. So what I did a mini challenge with myself to say, can you grow $3, right? I grew it up to $40, and then I blew it down to $5, and then I grew it to $12, and from $12 I raised it up to $56 currently. So it was just a challenge to see how little amount do I need to trade, and just a test for myself. And I'd advise, if you're a trader, learn to challenge yourself, get better. It's an art, it's a skill. So always put yourself in challenging situations on demo account though. Don't do it with your real money. Challenge yourself on demo, blow your demo down to as small as possible. Try growing it from there. If you can do it again and again and again until you're so good at growing the smallest amount of money that you don't need to be funding $1,000 just to make $20. Like, challenge yourself and you will get good at it. And with this type of strategy, it's minimum risk, so you don't need a large amount of investment. You just need the right strategy, the right person to teach you how to use it, and trust me, you will make your money. So guys, this is for this video. Thanks a lot for watching it. Have a good day.